Welcome back to Mindful Roots Healing, your sanctuary for Reiki music and energy healing. Here, we dive into the soothing power of guided sessions that restore balance, reduce stress, and elevate your spirit. Whether you're meditating, sleeping, or just unwinding, our Reiki-infused sound frequencies are here to help you realign your mind, body, and soul. Have you ever felt an energy so strong it seemed to move on its own? What if that same energy could reveal something hidden deep within you? Let me share a story. It began with a woman named Arya, who came to us after months of feeling lost and drained. She was just hoping for a simple Reiki session to feel a little better. As she lay on the table, we placed crystals along her energy centers, their subtle glow filling the quiet, peaceful room. When the session started, Arya felt a gentle warmth spreading from her chest outward, like soft ripples of light moving just beneath her skin. She tried to relax into it, but the sensation grew stronger, more insistent, until it felt as if something powerful inside her was awakening. I sensed a block in her solar plexus, the energy center tied to confidence and personal power. Hovering my hands above the area, I channeled calm, healing energy to help release it. But what happened next was unlike anything either of us expected. As Arya took a deep breath, flashes of vivid memories appeared behind her closed eyes, memories of a time she couldn't consciously recall. She saw a field, heard a melody, and a voice calling her name. The room itself seemed to hum softly, almost singing along with her rising energy. Tears began to roll down her face, though she wasn't sure why. I remained calm, grounding the energy flow, gently guiding her through this powerful moment as light seemed to pulse around us. When the session finally ended, Arya opened her eyes. Her heartbeat was steady, and her face was filled with a profound sense of peace. She told me she'd been hearing that song in her dreams for years. In that moment, she realized it was her own voice she had been hearing all along. The energy hadn't revealed something foreign. It had reconnected her with a part of herself she had long forgotten. Reiki didn't just balance her energy, it unlocked her truth. She learned that healing isn't always about removing the pain, but about remembering the power you hold within it. Every session is a journey, and sometimes the energy doesn't just heal, it awakens. Have you ever had an experience you couldn't explain? Something that felt like energy guiding you back to yourself? Share your story in the comments below. Like this video if you believe in the power of healing. And subscribe to Mindful Roots Healing for more guided energy stories and Reiki experiences that realign your body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for being here.